If you have been searching for the pro version of CapCut PC, you might be thinking to download a pirated or a cracked version, but I would not recommend doing it because it can put your PC at the risk of malware. Instead, I will show you 5 simple steps that can get you all the pro features of CapCut safely. Step number 1. Open your browser and paste the link what is given in the video description. If you are a Windows user, go for Windows version. If you are a Mac user, go for Mac version. Step number 2 is downloading and installing CapCut on your PC, and if you are using Windows, do not open the CapCut. Step number 3, we need to do some modification to the file directory of CapCut so that it cannot update itself automatically. So right click on CapCut from the desktop and select open file location. Click view from the window explorer, then click show, then select file name and extension. Mac users can skip step 3 and step 4. Step number 4. Now create a new text document .txt on the directory and rename it to update.exe. Now right click on it and go to properties and select read only. You are done here. Now copy the update.exe and click CapCut folder from the window explorer. Then go to user data, then download. If you see a file named called GPU driver buglist.json, then you are in the right folder. Just paste the update.exe what you copied earlier. Step number 5. If you are seeing this video from India, you need to install a VPN to access all the filters, effects and other stuffs. And you are all done. Now you can enjoy all pro features from this version of CapCut for free. Just keep in mind that CapCut will ask for the update and you need to skip it. There is another important thing that I forget to mention. So if you are using CapCut version 1.5.1, you won't be able to see some of the latest features, and that's one of the major drawbacks here. And that's all you need to do. If you face any issues, you can let me know in the comments and I will be happy to reply. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one.